let's bend the law, ika nga, to please the people. Nagpapasalamat ako doon sa mga nagtawag ng pansin. So, kasi ni-recall ko ulit, ni-review ko yung YouTube, yung sa Senate, what I really said. Tama naman, bend the law to please the people. Medyo, it doesn't sit well. It could have been mas acceptable siguro, bend the law for humanitarian reasons. That's another, you're breaking the law, pero it's intentional, pero for a purpose. Di ba? There's a purpose.
Or ang ibig sabihin mo ba is a more compassionate implementation of the law?
Exactly. Yeah, nilinawin ko lang, Ms. Karen. And I guess this is the time to correct it. I didn't mean it that way na you can break the law anytime. No. What I am saying is that may mga excuses, may exception to the rule. Pero what was running to my mind, bakit itong mga bilyonaryo kailangan, may protection pa ng batas, hindi lang kailangan nang ibalik yung pera. Di ba sabi ni Mayor Lim before, the law applies to all, otherwise none at all. Di ba? And then let's not forget, Ms. Karen, yung kasabihan, alam ng mga lawyers ito, the welfare of the people is the supreme law. The welfare of the people is the supreme. And what's the welfare of the people? Naghihikaw sa taong bayan, kailangan nila yung pera ulit. That is the supreme law. Ibalik mo yung pera namin. That's what I meant. I'm the lawmaker. I shouldn't have said that. Siguro dala ng bugso ng damdamin sa galit. At kaya nagpapasalamat ako. Everybody who made a comment, who reacted, kahit yung gumawa ng mga memes, salamat po. Salamat. I'm not angry po. I'm not angry. Alam ko po, you just want to correct me. Loud and clear, I heard you. And sana in the future, if there's incidents like this again, I encourage you to call my attention. Yun lang po, I will be willing to correct it if I made something that is not suitable as a lawmaker. And I accept that. Thank you very much po sa inyo lahat. Seriously, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, salamat po.